प्रतिभा भगिनी श्रूयते वा?
आं श्रूयते महोदय।
So यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धोरगाधस्यानगा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीराः सश्रिये चामृताय च। So what I will do today is Pratibha Bhagini, you can chant from Prithuroma Jashomatsyah. Prithuro in Vari Varga, you can chant from Prithuroma Jashomatsyah. From there till Dirgha Koshika. From there till Dirgha Koshika. Only that much.
पृथुरोमा झषो मत्स्यो मीनो वैसारिणोऽण्डजः विसारश्शकली चाथ गडकश्शकुलार्भकः सहस्रदंष्ट्रः पाठीन उलूपी शिशुकः समौ तलमीनश्चिलिचिमः प्रोष्ठीतुषफरीद्वयोः क्षुद्राण्डमत्स्यसङ्घातः पोताधानमथो झषाः प्रोहितो मद्गुरशालो राजीवशकुलस्तिमिः तिमिङ्गिलादयश्चाथ यादांसि जलजन्तवः तद्भेदाशिशुमारोद्रशङ्कवो मकरादयः स्यात्कुलीरः कर्कटकः कूर्मे कमठकच्छपौ ग्राहो वहारो नक्रस्तु कुम्भीरोऽथ महीलता गण्डूपदः किञ्चुलको निहाका गोधिका समे रक्तपातु जलौकायां स्त्रियां भूम्निजलौकसः मुक्ता स्फोटस्त्रियां शुक्तिः शङ्खः स्यात् कम्बुरस्त्रियौ क्षुद्रशङ्खाः शङ्खनखा शम्बूका जलशुक्तयः भेके मण्डूकवर्षा भूषालूरप्लवदर्दुराः शिलीगण्डूपदी भेकी वर्षा भ्वीकमठीडुलिः मद्गुरस्य प्रिया शृङ्गी दुर्नामा दीर्घकोशिका।
उत्तम। Now today we will be talking about all the Jalajantavaha. Jalajantavaha. So I would request, I would make Radhika Mata also as the panelist. there are reasons for doing that. So Radhika Mata, you can you can have Apte dictionary with you, and one more person, Pratibha Bagini, you can open the amara.upasana.com. I will not open that because I will have to show some other thing. And Ananta Krishna Mahodaya, I think I will just see if he is there.
Hariom, did you call out my name, Radhika?
Yes, yes. So I would request you to have Apte dictionary with you now.
Sir, actually, I have written for up to Kurma Kamatha, referring to Apte and our illustrated Amarakosha, as well as aupasana.com. All that compiled together, I have compiled till up to Kamatha Kachapaha.
Kamatha Kachapaha you have done, is it? We have to go a little bit. We have to go a little bit ahead. We will go. We'll see. Okay, now we will start. Today we will start from Pruthuroma Jasho Matsyaha. Today we are learning all the names of aquatic jantus. Aquatic animals are living beings, Jala Jantavaha, whom we call. So there will be fishes, prawns. There are a lot of names are there. We just have to know the name, and if there are synonyms, we will know the synonym. And many of them, unless we are marine engineers or aquatic divers, we do not know what kind of fish it is, or we are spending some time in aquarium, we will not know what kind of fish it is, and all those things. So we will see what the dictionary says and try to learn this together. So Radhika Mata will be there to help us, and Pratibha Bagini also can initially Pratibha Bagini can unmute. Can mute herself. In case there is some conflict between what Radhika Mata or I am telling, then Pratibha Bagini can refer the Ranganatha Sharma book and tell what is written there. So this is the exercise. Only for today we'll be doing this, because it is just knowing the names and matching it to the word. Okay. So the first set of words, with line number 550. Pruthuroma Jashomasyaha Mino Vaisarinondajaha Visarashakali Chata Gadaka Shakularbakaha. So we clearly know that Chatha, till there the words are the same words which mean fish. So Radhika Mata, can you tell the split there?
Prithuroman Nakara Nakaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. All others up to Shakuli. There are 8 Paryaya Shabdaha for fish. Prithuroman, Jhashaha, Matsyaha, Minaha, Vaisarinaha, Andajaha, then Visaraha and Shakuli.
So
till here,
Shakuli, in some versions it is Shakuli, in some versions it is Shakali. So Shakali or Shakuli Nakaranta, Shakalin Shabda, Shakuli, Shakulino, Shakulinaha, Shakali, Shakalino, Shakalinaha. Pruthuroma, Pruthuromano, Pruthuromanaha, Nakaranta Pullinga Shabda. Now all are Pullinga Shabda, right?
Amara.Taupasana says Shakuli is Pullinga, not Akaranta Pullinga. Ikaranta Pullinga. Sorry.
Ikaranta va? So
Shakuli.
Shakali.
Could be Shakulin.
Shakali is the word. So Shakuli, I think they are this one, but it is Nantaha. Shakali, Shakalino, Shakalinaha, Guni, Gunino, Guninaha. It is clear there. Pullinga. So it is Nakaranta only. So that is the, how many words we got there, Radhika Bhagini?
8.
8 words. So that finishes the synonyms for fish. Atha Gadakaha Shakularbhakaha. Now what are these two?
These are a specific fish. So it says a specific flat fish.
Okay. So in the illustrated Amarakosha, what it is saying, Gadakaha, actually it is a baby fish. So the fish will have a baby, right? Gadakaha Shakularbhakaha, it is telling. So Shakula, we just now learnt that it is a fish. Shakuli is a fish. Shakularbhakaha. A kind of fish is what the illustrated thing is telling. But in the Vyakhyana of Ranganatha Sharma Vyakhyana and the other Vyakhyanas, it is telling that it is a baby fish. So the baby of a fish. That also can be told. So we can go to
Sanskritdocuments.org says a specific flat fish.
Mahodaya, in the same Sanskrit, spoken Sanskrit.org dictionary, it says Arbhaka is a young one.
Correct, young fish. That is a young Arbhaka always. Arbhaka means child. So
Shakularbhaka is a
young
then
fish.
For a fish we have Shakali. Here they say Shakularbhaka.
That is why many people have corrected that this one as Shakuli. But the Pata Bheda is there. Okay. Now I'll just show you. Shakularbhaka. A gilt head. So what they are saying is, so this is what does Monier will. So it's a type of fish. If I put this in Google, now Sparus emarginatus. Okay, this is what it tells us. Shakularbhaka. It's a sort of a fish. So we need people who know zoology and people who know the lakshana of these to combine and tell this is the exact fish that is being spoken about. So which is a rare combination. We have some experts who have done this kind of work. For the Dvitiya Kanda, I will involve them when we are doing the Vanaushadhi Varga for plants. A lot of people have done this kind of work for plants. But for the animals, because it is a very small portion for the aquatic animals, we will just go by the dictionary and try to learn this. Okay, now coming to the next set of words. Visara Shakali Chata Gadaka Shakularbhakaha. Next is Sahasra Damshtra Pathinaha. So what is this?
Sahasra Damshtraha Pathinaha. These both of them are Akaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. And it says a whale or a sheat fish or a catfish.
Correct.
Bahudamshtra Matsyaha, which has too many teeth, I think, something like a whale or a shark.
Okay, I will just show you how it is. So, Sahasradamshtraha Pathinaha, it's a salt of a
shark. No.
sort of a prawn, because it has got damstra. Damstra is teeth. So this is one version. Then whale or a sheet fish is one version. Then I will go here and put that. So if I say Pathina, so let us take this
What anta word is that, Mahodaya? Pathi,
Pathinaha Akaranta.
Pakaranta.
So okay, so what they are saying, this is 1 minute. The image
In
of
some places it is given as porpoise, and in one
porpoise.
place I found porpoise in Tamil is kadarpandri.
So this is porpoise, that which has a whale with a teeth. That is what they are saying. So let us, if you go to our Google Guru, what he says is, this is a sort of a dolphin family, but it is not dolphin. We will come to this porpoise. Okay, porpoise. Now, so porpoise, you saw what is a porpoise. Porpoises are group of fully aquatic marine mammals, similar in appearance to a dolphin, etc., etc. Is dolphin a porpoise? All these things you can read. So porpoise is something is given for Pathina. It is a given, or Ulupi it is given. I think porpoise is for Ulupi, Radhika Rohini.
It's
Pathina
given
is
for this two only, Sastra, Damshta and Pathina. For that,
where it is given.
In sanskritdocuments.org.
Sanskrit documents. Okay, but I think there is a
Sastra,
small.
Damshta and Pathina.
Sahasra Damshtra and Pathina is not porpoise. It is actually the sheet fish, something which has got Damshtra, that is teeth, a teeth whale or something like that, we can say.
Whale.
Okay, so next set of words that we are talking here is Sahasra Damshtra, Pathina is over. Ulupi Shishukas Samo. Now, what is Ulupi Shishukas Samo? What is your version?
Ulupin Shukaha, Ulupin Karanta Pullingaha, and Shishukaha Karanta Pullingaha. Specific small fish.
Specific small fish. Let us see. Here it is not given.
In Amara.Aufasna says Shishumara Akara Matsyaha.
Shishimara is
Shishumara is dolphin.
Shishumara is dolphin.
Shishumara is dolphin.
See, Amara Art Upasana, I usually don't refer that. Better to refer the dictionaries and the illustrated dictionary, I think. Okay, we will go for once.
Sanskrit.kosha.sanskrit.today. In that one, Vari Varga is not. All other Vargas are coming. Vari Varga shows Naraka Varga. That also gives meanings for all other Vargas, but Vari Varga is not coming.
No, Ulupi is what we have to search, right? 1 second.
It says the Gangetic porpoise.
Yes. So Ulupi is the porpoise. Okay. So Ulupi is what we have to search. Now, if you see for Ulupi, what it says is, this is a Ulupi, Purana also it is there. Ulupi.
That one is that Arjuna Katha, that Purana comes. Ulupi is a Naga Kanya.
Correct.
She takes Arjuna to Nagaloka, and then they get married and have a son. That is a Purana. That's different from a fish.
So Shishuka, what they are giving is a power of ice. So all of you understood this. This word we have finished. Ulupi Shishuka Samo. Nalaminas Chilichimaha Proshti Shapari Dvayoho. Now what is Nalaminas Chilichimaha?
It says a type of carp, and carp again is a type of fish only. It's Nala Vanacharino Matsya Visheshaha. Both of these.
Correct. That is correct. So Nalamina Chilichimaha. So if you go to here, Nala Meena.
What is a Nala Vanacharinaha? Vanachari, we understand. Nala Vanacharinaha.
Mahodaya, here they say Nala is a reed, all grass.
Reed. So a fish amongst the reed, correct? Nala is a reed. Meena is spotted fish in between the reeds. For example, I will show you. This is the Nalamina. So you see here on the right hand side, this is a set of reeds and you are having a fish and it is spotted. This is called Nalamina. That is what I understand from the Vyakhyana. Chilichimaha also the same. Nalaminas Chilichimaha, correct. Proshti to Shapari Dvayoho. Next we have Proshti to Shapari Dvayoho. So Proshti, Shapari and Shapara are white fish and a carp. So Nalaminaha and Chilichimaha is actually the fish among the reeds. Whereas Proshti, Shapari Dvayoho is a carp. Okay. That is what this set of words, this line means. Kshudraanda Matsya Sanghataha.
Both these are in both Strilinga and Pullinga.
No.
Proshti and Shapari.
Proshti is Strilinga. Shapari is Pullinga and Strilinga. Shapara, Shapari.
Okay.
That is what it. Proshti tu, there is a separator there. Shapari Dvayoho. Proshti is Strilinga. Ikaranta Strilinga. Shapari is Dvayoho. Pullinga Strilinga. And whereas in Pullinga, you should understand that it is Shapara is the form in Pullinga. So, Pratibha Bhagini, what is Ranganath Shama book telling? Shapara, Shapari, is it correct?
It says only Haru Meenu.
No. Shapari. But Pullinga is Shapara, no?
Shapara, yes. Pullinga is Shapara.
That's all. That is what I asked. Next, Pota Dhanaha. Next set of Shudraanda Matsya Sanghataha. Pota Dhana Mathodashaha. So, Shudraanda Matsya Sanghataha. Matsya Sanghataha is a group of fishes.
Says a tiny fish, a shoal of tiny fish.
Shudraanda is Shudraanda Matsya Sanghataha, group of tiny fish or a group fishes. In the aquarium mandal we will see now group fishes. So Shudraanda Matsya Sanghataha. Now what is that? Potadhanam Atodjashaha. Potadhana is Potadhanam is actually group of tiny fishes. Kshudraanda Matsya Sanghata is group of fishes, any fish. Potadhanam is referring to tiny fishes.
But here that Kshudra, it says Andad Achira Nirgata Matsya Sangham.
That is why Kshudraanda Matsya Sanghataha. So the how many words are there? Kshudraanda Matsya Sanghataha. Anda Matsya Sanghataha. So what happens is from the anda immediately Shudra Achirati Tyupte not long. That means they have been just born or just come out of the anda. And Matsya Sanghata, and it's a group of fishes.
So the Kshudra and Matsya Sanghata is the description of Potadhanam, is it?
No, they are Potadhanam and Kshudraanda Matsya Sanghataha are two words. While it is a description also, and it is also telling, it is also telling the synonym. But Anantaramandan. One second.
According to Ranganatha Sharma book, Kshudraanda Matsya Sanghataha is the definition of Potadhana.
That is what he says. One second. Kshudraanda Matsya Sanghata. So we can take it as definition in definition only, I think, because Shudraanda Matsya Sanghata. Let me see what does Maheshwara Vyakhyana says. Kshudraanda Matsya Sanghataha. This is the most challenging part. Kshudrascha te andamatsyaascha tesham sanghataha potadhanam iti uchyate. So they are tiny and they have just come out of the anda and group, and they are a group. That is called potadhanam. That is what it is. So potadhanam is the word. Kshudraanda Matsya Sanghata is the description. That is what we can understand. Okay.
Akaranta Napunsakalinga word, Potadhana.
Potadhana, yes. Atha Jashaha. Now what he comes after telling about some fishes, he is telling again there are types of fishes, which only he is naming that. So there is something called Rohita, Madgura, Shala, Rajiva, Shakulas, Timihi, Timingiladayas Yadamsi Jalajantavaha. So till Timingiladayah. So there are, how many words are there? Rohita, Madgura,
7.
Shala, 7 words. So these are different types of names of fishes. So there is a Rohita, Madgura, some, see, 7 names are there, but only 5 picture is there here. So we don't know whether we have to rely on these pictures. So, but definitely Rohita, Madgura, Shala, Rajiva, Shakula, Timi. Timi, Timingila, from Bhagavatam and other Purana sources, we know that Timingila can mean a whale.
This Timi, it says it's a kind of whale or fish of enormous size. And Timingila, Timim Gilati, a huge
Timingilati.
fish which swallows
Another
a
fish.
Timi.
Correct.
Another
So
huge fish.
that is what is told. That is what is told in Bhagavatam or some other Purana. Timingilati iti Timingilaha. That which can swallow another Timi. Gila is to swallow. So that is Timingila and Timihi. That we understand.
This
And
Rohita could be a red colored fish, because normally this Rohita stands for anything that is red in color. So it could also be a red colored fish.
It can mean that. So it is better to we can, for now we are not going to use this in sentences unless we are going to practice zoology through Sanskrit. But generally these are different types of fishes. So what do we understand by this is our and even in the times of Amarasimha, extensive study of zoology or the names of different Jalajantus were being done and it was available. The names were available. That is what is to be appreciated here. Okay, generally Jashaha, Matsyaha, Minaha, we will tell and we will go ahead. Timingila, all these major things, we know some of the words. That is what we will be using in sentences, so we can find out that Timingilati, Timingilaha, that we know from certain Puranas. That Gilati is Gr Nigarane Dhatu. Anyway. So now coming back to the set of words, Timingiladayas Chatha Yadamsi Jalajantavaha. Now Yadamsi Jalajantavaha is Yadamsi.
Aquatic creatures, Jalachara Jivaha.
Yes. Yadav Patihi is Varuna. Yadatham Patihi we have seen. Yadav Patihi. We have seen water also, Samudra also. So Yada is Yadamsi Jalajantavaha. These are the
Yadas is Sakaranta Punsakalinga, is it?
Sakaranta, yes. Sakaranta Napumsakalinga.
And Jalajantu Ukaranta Pullinga.
Ukaranta Pullinga. So Jaladantu is Ukaranta Pullinga. Tad Bhedaha. Now there are some more Bhedas of Jalajantavaha. Shishumaraha. Shishumaraha, you can Gangetic porpoise, people's dolphin. Some people say it is dolphin. Then Shishumaraha, the next word is
Udraha.
Shankavaha.
Shankuhu. That is Shankuhu and Makaraha.
Shankuhu will become Shankavaha in Bahuvachanam. Shishumarodra Shankavaha is a samasa there. So that is why it is given there. So it is Shishumara, Udra,
Shanku
and
Makara.
These are Jalajantu Bhedaha. So if you want the specific thing, Shishumara is dolphin, Udra is there is something called OTTER. People say otter.
Otter. Yes, yes.
I don't know what is that otter, but definitely that is what they are saying. Then
That
we have
otter is very skilled in bringing lots of twigs and things, and it even builds the bridge across the flow of the water, they say. An otter.
So
That is Udra, is it?
you can.
Which is otter? Udraha?
Otter is Udraha. Udraha is otter. Shanku is water hog. Shanku is
Okay,
water
that
hog.
is hog is a pig. So the Kadarpandri porpoise came earlier. This is the water hog.
Porpoise is this is different. This is different. That is different. Porpoise is different, and water hog is
Yeah, but in one place I found Kadarpandri as a translation for porpoise in Tamil.
Tamil it is okay. Then Makara is crocodile. All of us know that Makara. What is Jalavyagraha? So now coming back to Makaradayaha, Makara is one thing. Do we have Jalavyagra? Jalavyagra is not there. Syat Kulira Karkatakaha. This everybody knows. Karkataka Rashi and all we have now. So Karkataka Rashi. So Karkata is crab. Kulira is also crab. CRAB crab. Kuliraha Karkatakaha. Then next we have Kurmo Kamata Karchapa. Kurma Kamata Karchapa is everybody knows Kurma Avatara Mahavishnu. So it is tortoise, turtle. There are various versions. There is a difference between tortoise and turtle. So, for example, some say turtle, tortoise. So you can understand what it is through Google. But Kurmaha, Kamataha, Karchapaha are 3 words given for tortoise and turtles. Graho, next set of words are Graho, Avaharaha, Nakraha. Nakrastu Kumbirotha Mahilata. So Graho, Avaharo, Nakraha. We have how many words? Grahaha. Graha is that which can catch you. Avaharaha. So Graha, Avaharaha, Nakraha, Kumbhiraha. These are large crocodiles or alligators, I think. So what Makara, Graha and Nakra, see now, one thing which we should remember everywhere here is Graha, Avahara, Nakra, all these things we are telling as crocodiles, alligators, etc. But there is a difference between each of these jatis. That is why they are given as individual words. So we have to understand, and even in those days, they have, just like how we have today taxonomical names, species, genus, etc. Same way in those days also they had these jatis by which they would identify a set of animals. Okay, so this is those set of words. Atha Mahilata. Mahilata Gandupadaha Kinchulakaha Nihaka Godhika. So what are these? These are alligators. So there is a difference between, so the illustrated dictionary says Graha, Avahara, Makara, Nakra, Kumbira is a crocodile, whereas it is an alligator is Nihaka, Godhika, and these set of words, they are alligators. So what is the difference between an alligator and a crocodile? You can refer the Google dictionary. There is a
These
difference.
alligators have long, that mouth part is narrow and long.
Mouth part.
Whereas crocodiles, they have broad and wide mouth.
Okay. So the next set of words are
Gangetic alligator is very famous.
So this is Godika. Next set of words are Raktapa, Jaluka. Raktapatu,
Mahodaya,
Jalukaya.
Gandupadः Kinchulakः. Gandupadः Kinchulakः.
Gandupadah Kinchulakaha are worms. Worms are Kitaha inside the slush. So the worms inside the slush. Gandukaha, Gandupadaha, right? Gandupadaha and Kinchulakaha are the worms inside the slush. Nihaka Godhika is the alligator. I think that is how we have to differentiate. I was just seeing that now. Gandupadaha. Next set of words are Raktapa, Jalauka, Raktapatu Jalaukayam, Striyam Bhumni Jalaukasaha. Okay. So Raktapa, Jalauka, Jalaukaha, Jalaukasau, Jalaukasaha. Striyam Bhumni Jalaukasaha. It's a Nityam Bahuvachananta, Jalaukas Shabda, Jalaukasaha. Now Raktapa, leech, that which eats our or sucks our blood. Raktapa, Jalauka, leech. The next set of words are Mukta Spota Striyam Shuktihi, Shankasyat Kamburas Triyo. So Mukta Spota Shukti, these are the oysters and pearl shells which are there. Mukta Spota Shuktihi. So fish inside a shell, all these things are Mukta Potaha Shuktihi. Shankaha Syat Kamburastriyo. Shankha and Kambu are the Shankha. The Shankha which we do for puja, no? So
Conch.
Kambu, conch. Kambura is a word which is Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. That is why Astriyo is given. And it is also means Shankha. Shankha Nakha, Chudra Shankhaha, Shankha Nakhaha. Shankha Nakha is Shankha Nakha are small conches, and Shudra Shankhaha.
Must be the same. Tiny.
Shudra Shankhaha, small size. Shankanakaha. Shambhukaha. Shambhuka, I will show you one Shambhuka here. I think I have a Shambhuka. This is probably Jala Shuktihi. Oyster, they say. Shuktihi. Till here we have come. We'll just go back to Jalashunakaha. Bhekaha. Bhekaha, Mandukaha, Varshabhuhu, Shalura, Plava, Darduraha. This entire set of words are for frog. And Shili, Gandupadi, Bheki, Varshabhi, Kamathi. Now, till Varshabhi is Shili, Gandupadi, Bheki, Varshabhi are the Strilinga of female frog, because they make lot of sound. Shili, Gandupadi, Bheki, Varshabhi. Then Kamathi, Dulihi are female tortoises. Next, Madgurasya Priya Shringi Durnama Dirgha Koshika. So Durnaman, Durnama, Dirgha Koshika. What is that? Shringi. Madgurasya Priya Shringi. So here we just saw Madgura is a type of fish. Madgura is a type of fish. Madgurasya Priya Shringi. So Madgura Jati's Strilinga is Shringi. Durnama, that is over. Durnama Dirgha Koshika. What is it? What can it be? What is given in Durnama?
SanskritDocuments.org, it says COCLE. I don't know how to pronounce CLE.
COCLE. We also don't even.
Jalukakara Jalacharaha.
Jalukakara Jalacharaha. So Jalukakara Jalacharaha. So what they are given in some other books is Durnama Dirgha Koshika is a horse leech. Some people are saying it is a horse leech. There is one more version of Amara Kosha which says it's a horse leech. So till here we have come. So these are a list of illustrated list of Jalajantava. Now what is the best, sir? Whether you are right or I don't know whether I am right. I have just referred to many dictionaries and have come to a conclusion. The Nishpatti also may lead to something. Suppose for example Bekaha, Mandukaha, Varshabuhu. There may be different species of frogs. So but together we call it as a frog. Just like how today we have different species of frog. In zoology there is a differentiation. There is life sciences. We are having lot of expansion. But what we should appreciate from this list, from this big list, is imagine today you can dive inside the sea, go there, go in a boat and do all those things. In those days also they had this knowledge of these Jalajantavaha. That is what we should appreciate from this list. We'll stop here. I don't think so anybody will have question because it is related to just names and other things. If there are any questions, we'll take it tomorrow. From tomorrow we can start the other Jalashaya, Hrada. The rest of the things is very logical, which we can go ahead. Different water bodies, so it is going to come to me. Dhanyavada. Dhanyavada Radhika Mata. Dhanyavada Pratibha Bhagini for your assistance in today's class. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु।